Tired of unwanted channels cluttering your Otter.ai workspace? Learn how to permanently delete any channel in just 6 clicks. We'll walk through the exact menu path, from your homepage to the confirmation pop-up, so you can clean up your workspace fast. Go ahead and navigate to your Otter.ai homepage, so you have the main dashboard in front of you. Then, on the left side panel, click on Channels to pull up your list of channels. Now, click on the specific channel you want to delete to open it up. Next, click the drop-down arrow right next to your channel's title to see more options. From that drop-down, choose Delete Channel for Everyone. And to finish up, click Delete to confirm. And just like that, you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.